Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Boot Advantage card online. In order to use the Boot Advantage card online, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and open up a browser and type in boots.com/web app. It's gonna take you to this field. So here you have to go and log in into your account by entering your credential. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. So basically, you can use your Boot Advantage card as a way of payment method during the purchase. So you could go ahead and select an item that you wish to purchase, and when you've actually added the product to your cart, then you could go ahead and directly check out. And during the checkout procedure or during the payment method, during the payment session, you could go ahead and enter your Boot Advantage card details, and you can use the card in order to pay for your purchase. So with that, you'll have successfully used your Boot Advantage card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.